Welcome. I am your training bot, Amy. In this video, you will see how to integrate AWS S3 Connector. This connector reads the logs from the S3 bucket, according to the configuration. Each S3 service provides operational metrics and log files to provide insight into how the service is operating. To configure, go to the console, in Administration section, select Manage Component, and click on Adapt a Component. Scroll down to add a connector, click on the plus icon, and select AWS S3 Connector. The configuration screen provides required details, like connector name, type, bucket name, account ID, secret access keys, access key ID, log prefix, region, and file type. For configuration of AWS S3 Connector, provide these details. Get the details by sign into the AWS Management Console, and open the Amazon S3 Bucket console. Choose Create Bucket. The Create Bucket page will be displayed. In bucket name, enter a DNS-compliant name for your bucket. Choose the AWS region, where you want the bucket to reside. In bucket settings for block public access, keep the values set to the defaults. By default, Amazon S3 blocks all public access to your buckets. You can enable bucket version, and also default encryption of bucket. Choose Create Bucket. You have created a bucket in Amazon S3. Here, you can see that the bucket is created. After this, you need to create IAM user. Now, log into the IAM console. In the navigation panel, choose Users, and then choose to add user. Enter the username for the new user. This is the sign-in name for AWS S3. On the same screen, under Select AWS Access Type, check the checkbox to enable AWS Management Console access. Select Programmatic Access as an access type for this user. Choose Next, Permissions. On Set Permissions page, specify how you want to assign permissions to this set of new users. Choose Attach Existing Policies directly, and then Create Policy. Create Policy using JSON method. You can copy-paste JSON method policy from DNIF website and AWS S3 Connector. Keep version as it is, because it will be automatically populated while creating policy. You can find the newly created policy in Attach Existing Policies directly. Apply the policy to the IAM user. Add user tags for identification purposes, and click on the Next Review button. Enter the IAM user name and its description. Review all the configurations, and click Create Policy. This IAM user policy will be created. Now, assign this policy to IAM user, then, review the user details, policy details, and click on Create User. Once the user is created, you can see the username, access key ID, secret access key. Click on Show Link under the secret access key, and then copy both the access key ID and secret access key. You can also click on the Download CSV button to download the key pair and keep it as a backup. On the console, add AWS Access ID and add secret access key to forward AWS S3 Connector logs. Enter the name of the bucket with reference from your AWS account. Enter the account ID with reference from your AWS account. No change in the log prefix, as it will automatically fetch the account ID. Enter the region, same as mentioned in your AWS account. Once all details are properly added, save the configuration. The entered configuration details will be automatically validated and configured. To check whether you are receiving the logs, go to the EPS connector graph, see the AWS traffic for a particular time, along with the count of events received. Also, you can search for logs received in the search panel, in the Stream CloudTrail, for a specific duration. Wow! Congratulations on successful configuration of AWS S3 Connector. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. But wait, it never ends until Amy tells a joke. I just connected my new phone to the cloud, then I saw so many missed calls. Ha ha ha, that was funny. See you around. Aha.